This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cindy Arnold. A cute getaway or an affordable year-round residence, this beautiful condo also comes with a 2021 four-seater golf cart. The building exterior was insulated prior to installing the newer vinyl siding, which reduced the utility bills dramatically. The plumbing and electrical panel have been updated. The neutral ceramic tiles creates a nice flow from the kitchen through the living room dining room combo and into the bathrooms. The bedrooms have newer laminate flooring. The hot water heater was replaced with a 40 gallons unit. Kitchen has been beautifully remodeled with cabinets, tile backsplash and granite countertops, and the bathroom vanities and fixtures have been updated. Guest bath has been updated with a walk-in shower and glass sliding doors. The interior blinds are attractive insulating waffle blinds. All new no-see screens throughout. Come live, come play. Kings Point, a gated 24-hour staffed and golf cart community, is located between Tampa and Sarasota. It is an active lifestyle community that has more fun under the sun. State-of-the-art health and fitness centers. Golf, tennis, pickleball, yoga studio, day spa, fabulous clubhouses with over 200 activities and social clubs, and pools. Located minutes from Tampa's cultural and sporting events, Tampa International Airport, and award-winning beaches. Come to Kings Point and buy a fabulous lifestyle along with a beautiful home. For more information, review the details below.